And before you knew it, life had come full circle.
They're here! They're here!
Come
They're
along,
here,
chaps. Let's have a
everybody.
look.
Hey there, I'm Wilbur. I'm a friend of your mom's. Boy, are we glad to see you. Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo! Yes!
Ew, so creepy. And cute, just like their mother.
They're so beautiful. Oh, I just want to scoop them up and hug them all.
Wow, you can fly! Look at you go!
Now that is something to follow.
Go, little spiders, be free. I wish I could. Kidding, honey. I think I got one inside my beak. Ah! Thanks, baby.
That's my golly ollie ollie.
Wow. I can't believe they're really here.
So pretty. Yeah, Bits. You doing okay over there, Ike?
I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it, Bets. I'm okay with it. Spiders are nice. Spiders are my friend. Spiders won't hurt me.
Wait! What's happening? What are you doing? Goodbye. Please don't go. Wait! Wait! Where are you going?
We're setting forth. We take to the breeze. We go as we please. We take to the breeze. Bye. Bye.
You can't go. I had so much I wanted to tell you. And someone I wanted to tell you about.
Salutations.
Huh? Who said that?
I'm up here. So am I. Me too. We like to stay. We like it here. And we like you, too.
You're staying? Oh, that's great. That's really, really great. 3 friends. What are your names?
I'll tell you my name if you tell me why you're trembling.
Oh, well, I think I'm trembling with joy.
Then my name is Joy.
Joy. Perfect.
What was my mom's middle initial?
A.
Then my name is Arania.
Wow, great name.
Why don't you pick my name for me? Something sensible, not too long, not too fancy, oh, and not too dumb.
Tricky. How about, well, Nellie?
Nellie, I like it. Well done.
Joy Arania Nellie, you have chosen a hallowed doorway in which to spin your webs. This was your mother's doorway. She was loyal, brilliant, beautiful, and she was my friend. I will treasure her memory forever. So to you, her daughters, I pledge my friendship.
I pledge mine. I do too. So do I.